Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Tea and Art. I hope you all are well. So the video today is about this technique and the technique that I showed you yesterday. So this was something I tried before and I will link this video. So let's start the video. This is my mold. So I'm using Let's Resin UV resin here. So what I'm doing here is I am putting small drops of this UV resin onto the coaster. So the coaster that I was showing you in the beginning was a technique that I shared with the UV resin, and after some time I thought in that technique I used the UV resin on the top of the coaster, so I thought why not try it onto the coaster. So I actually tried this one before. So what I'm doing here is I am just adding small drops of UV resin onto the coaster, and later on I will be curing it with the UV lamp. So I really wanted to see that how will it come out if I do it the other way instead of doing on the top. So actually this was something I was doing, and later on it evolved into the technique that I posted yesterday, and so many of you liked it so much and it was appreciated. And I actually got a comment asking that can it be done with the UV resin. So I wanted to show you that I did try it with the UV resin, but I was doing something else with this technique that you will be seeing in this video. So after putting some drops, I will be starting to cure it, because I was seeing that some of the drops were moving a bit here and there and some were joining. So I wanted to cure it beforehand before it messes up. So you can add as much as you like, and again in any shape. So when my drops were curing under the UV lamp, I added a little amount of white pigment to my resin, and this is a normal resin. I wanted to keep it on a translucent side instead of an opaque white. So I was actually doing that technique that I showed you the coaster before. So for this reason you need to have a low viscosity resin as thin as possible so that it floats everywhere instead of a thick one. Otherwise it will be a problem. So slowly I will be adding my resin carefully. And after adding the resin, I will let it cure for 1 day. So this is the next day and my layer has been cured. So here you can add any color you like to back. I was going with the ocean theme, so I will be adding the blue one, different shades of blue. And a bit of a different shade into the center. So at this point you can be creative, you can use rainbow colors, different shade of colors, really is up to you. And then you just let it cure. It's done. So the final day and the demolding day, let's see how it turned out. So this is how it turned out. It really didn't match the technique that I was thinking of doing, might be because I used big drops. So all in all, this was a lovely experiment. So you can create something different from it, but I thought it was a fail, so I didn't posted it. So I posted the one that I liked, but I just wanted to show you that this was the process that I was going through before went to this technique. So I hope you like it, and if you did, please do let me know in comments, and also any suggestions or any tweaks in this technique would be helpful. So like, subscribe and share. Thumbs up if you like the video. Take care. Bye bye.